equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Welcome to our detailed guide on lubricating the Silvercrest SKMC 1200 motor. Proper lubrication is crucial for maintaining the efficiency and lifespan of your appliance. Let's dive into the steps you need to follow. First, gather your tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a clean cloth, and a suitable lubricant, preferably a silicone-based oil. Ensure you have everything ready before starting. Begin by unplugging the motor from the power source. Safety is paramount, so make sure there's no risk of accidental activation. Once unplugged, locate the screws on the motor casing. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Keep them in a safe place as you will need them later. With the screws removed, gently lift the casing off to expose the internal components. Here, you'll want to take a moment to clean any dust or debris that may have accumulated. Use your clean cloth to wipe down the surfaces, ensuring that no particles interfere with the lubrication process. Now, let's focus on the lubrication points. Identify the bearings and moving parts that require lubrication. Apply a small amount of your silicone-based oil to these areas. It's important not to over-lubricate, as excess oil can attract dirt and grime. A little goes a long way. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get professional help. Our team can provide a professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring your motor is in top shape. Once you've lubricated the necessary components, it's time to reassemble the motor. Carefully place the casing back on and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is tightened properly to avoid any rattling or movement during operation. After reassembly, give the motor a quick visual inspection to ensure everything looks in order. Plug the motor back into the power source and turn it on. Listen for any unusual sounds that may indicate a problem. If everything sounds good, you've successfully lubricated your Silvercrest SKMC 1200 motor. Remember, if you encounter any issues or feel uncertain about the process, we offer a quote before repair, ensuring you know what to expect. Plus, with our no calls, no travel service, you can have peace of mind knowing help is just a call away. Regular maintenance, including lubrication, is key to prolonging the life of your motor. We recommend checking the lubrication every few months, depending on usage. Thank you for following along, and happy maintaining. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.